Hi, I'm Anusha. I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today, I am going to be reviewing this sunscreen from this brand Earth Rhythm. I am going to be reviewing the new formulation, and I am also going to be comparing the new formulation with the old formulation. And I'll also share my experience with the new product, and I'll not only share my review of this product, but at this point I am very disappointed with the customer support of the brand, and how the brand is responding, or how the brand is dealing with the whole issue of this new sunscreen. I'll share my personal experience and what I have heard from other people also about this product. So if you want to know all these details, please stay tuned till the end. First, let's see the old formulation. This old formulation comes in this glass bottle with a pump on the top. As most of the Earth Rhythm sunscreens, the pump has their own life and own mind. Whenever they want to work, they will work, and whenever they don't want to work, they don't work. But the old formulation is really nice. It spreads very well on the skin and leaves a nice hydrated and moisturized feel on the skin. So most of the things were kind of nice with the old formulation. I'll quickly read out the ingredients, mainly the filters used in the old formulation. The first one is octane oxide for UVB protection. It is an UVB filter, and it is not a very stable filter. And we have for UVA protection, they have used avobenzone. It is an UVA filter, and it is also not very stable. And the third filter they have used is oxybenzone. Oxybenzone is a kind of controversial ingredient, to be honest. It offers both UVA and UVB protection also, but the thing is, the molecules of this particular filter are very small. They get easily absorbed into the bloodstream. The safe limit of this filter is 6%. In most of the countries, it is around 10% in some countries, and in 5% in Japan, but on an average, it is around 6%. Some sunscreens having this particular filter in 6% concentration are given to pregnant women, and in that particular study, it is shown that the filter is getting absorbed into the skin, and it is able to cross the placenta layer also, but it is not proved that it can harm the fetus in any way. But I don't prefer to use these kind of filters that gets absorbed into the skin. We don't know whether it can harm or not, but it is better to avoid. I am not saying don't use them. It is just your personal preference. If you are comfortable using it, you can use it. Otherwise, you can just look for other better filters also. And in addition to this filter, they have also used zinc oxide, which is a physical filter, and it is very good for acne prone skin. It has both UVA and UVB protection. So it has got 4 filters, and in addition to that, it has got a couple of silicones and couple of emollients to moisturize the skin. So that's the overall formulation of this product. Coming to my experience with this product, this feels very moisturizing on the skin. It will not leave any white cast. It gets absorbed into the skin very beautifully, and it does not peel on the skin. Now Earth Rhythm changed their mind, and they came up with this new sunscreen in the new packaging. I don't know why they decided to change it. Maybe they want to improve on the filters in the formulation. Let's quickly take a look at the filters used in this formulation. The first filter is Tinosorb S, which is a very highly stable UVA and UVB filter. It covers the entire UV spectrum from 280 nm to 400 nm. It is highly stable, and if there is any unstable filter in the formulation also, it will help to stabilize that filter also. It is that good filter. So good on that part. And the second filter is Uvinal A Plus, which offers high UVA protection in the UVA spectrum range. So we have got one broad spectrum filter, and we have got one UVA filter. In addition to that, we have got zinc oxide also. Zinc oxide is also a broad spectrum filter. It covers both UVA and UVB range, but it is a physical filter. So we have got 3 filters. Along with that, we have got some couple of silicones. So this is the overall formulation of this product. Formulation wise, this is a very good product, because the filters are highly stable and highly new generation filters that offer very high protection in the sunlight. So This is very good formulation, but the thing is it has got lot and lot of glitter in it. When you apply it on the skin, your skin will just look like a Diwali cracker or a disco ball or something like that. You will not feel comfortable applying this onto the skin. It has got that kind of shimmer. See, whenever you wear these chunky bangles, we call them chunky bangles with glitter on them, after taking them off in the evening, how your hand looks like. It is not that chunky glitter, but still it has got lot and lots of glitter. And when I see the reviews down the sunscreen, all the reviews are positive. Not even a single review mentions that there is glitter in this. But on Instagram you can see hundreds of comments stating that they got glitters in the sunscreen and they don't like it. So you can see many comments like that, but on their website, no. And all the reviews are maximum 5 stars, or there are very few reviews that gave 4 stars, and those are also positive reviews, and there are 0 3 stars, 0 2 stars and 0 1 star. You are not putting the actual true feedback out there. You are just trying to convey the only the positive things. So I don't like it. I directly DM the brand. See, I got this sunscreen, I have got a lot of glitters in it, I don't want to use it, I don't comfortable using it. And I have seen in some big YouTuber page that you are replacing the sunscreens. What about this? And they simply said that it is fine, the glitter is due to the filters used, nothing to worry about it, and all those kind of stupid answers. So I asked them, no, I am not comfortable using it because I have used other sunscreens with the same filters and I have not faced any issue like this. I asked them, what about the replacement part? Then the customer support told me they have no idea about it, and if I want to know this query, I have to mail the brand at support@earthrhythm.com. Then, okay, I went ahead. I got a little disappointed, to be frank, but still I don't want to give up because I want to convey every detail to my viewers. So I did mail the brand stating the whole experience of mine, and I asked them whether they will really replace my sunscreen, and if yes, I asked them what is the process for the same, and I did not hear from them. From then onwards, it's been a week and nobody cared to even respond back. These customer support people, they don't know what the intentions of CEO. The CEO promises something and the customer team says, we don't know this. You can use the sunscreen is good, the glitter is due to this and this, you can use this. And if we ask them about the replacement part, they simply don't answer you. How should I take this? Is this just a communication gap between the founder and the team? But since I have ordered it and I have reached out to them, I want to know the experience of people like me, and there are people like me. Believe me, there are people like me. They asked the customer support, and the customer support gave the same unsatisfactory kind of answers like it is fine to use, it is good to use, it is due to the glitters and all that stuff. And they have even asked these people to mail to the customer support, and they have done it, and they didn't hear anything back from the customer support. Like they have experienced the same thing like I have experienced. Seeing all those comments made me really angry and really sad, because when you cannot fulfill something, why should you promise in the first place? I felt bad, I felt angry, and I decided to do this video and talk everything that I felt about. Bad products do exist, I accept that. I just give bad reviews, I don't go beyond that. But this is not just about the product, this is about the whole situation, how the brand is taking the whole situation, how the brand is responding to different people. I'm really sorry if you find me arrogant or something like that, but believe me, I'm not willingly or wantedly doing this. If I like some product from Earth Rhythm, still I will say I love it. It is just that I don't like this product and I don't like how they are dealing with this. I think you find this review helpful, and if you did mail the brand and if you did receive a response, please let me know in the comment section. And if by the time I edit this video, if I get a response from them, I'll surely mention it on the screen, or I'll mention it in the comment section or somewhere else. I'll let you know if I did get a response from them, or if any of you did get a response, please let me know. Or if you have similar experience, please let the viewers know that you have a similar experience. And if the brand did come up with a post or an official announcement stating to replace all the sunscreens and all, if you know anything like that, please let me know. And if I know, I'll also mention the same thing. So with this, I'm wrapping up today's video. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.